Hello little weirdos, welcome to another video, and today we are doing mashed potato severed fingers. If you like this sort of content, please make sure to subscribe to this channel and give me a thumbs up for Halloween recipes, and if you have suggestions, please leave a comment down below. Alright, so this is Spookathon episode number 13, and this is a pretty simple recipe, so let's get started. The ingredients that we need are pretty much basic. We need hot dogs, of course, or frankfurters, and we also gonna need some mashed potatoes. In this case we are using instant mashed potatoes, and ketchup, and of course a nice container. Okay, so let's start by doing our mashed potatoes. In this case we are doing the instant mashed ones, but you can do with the vegetable itself. And we are adding boiling water and stirring it and adding a little bit more just to reach a nice consistency. And of course we can season it the way you prefer. In this case I'm using black pepper and oregano, and that's pretty much it. You can add some cheese as well, it would be really nice. So adding our mashed potato into our container, and we need to make sure the surface is, well, okay, it doesn't need to be perfect, doesn't need to be even. And if you want to add some cheese, perhaps some cheddar, it will be amazing right now. And let's split our severed fingers in half. If you don't know where I'm coming from with these severed fingers, please check the video number 8 where we do the recipe for these hot dog fingers. And I'm just adding them, like poking them into the mashed potato, and I am like splitting in half, and I'm missing the fingernail, the fingertips. And if you see on the video 8, I mentioned that the secret to do these hot dogs is doing the fingernails and the wrinkles of the fingers before boiling them, otherwise it would be really difficult to carve, and this is exactly why. So the result is not as pretty as doing it prior to cooking it. So that's pretty much it. I split them in half, used the other half that I had previously done, and carved on the other half to make a better usage of them. So that's pretty much it. We just need to add our ketchup right now, and if you want to add some cheese right now, it would be amazing. So that's our end result. We have our spooky and bloody fingers, and it's also really tasty. And if you like this video, or if you want to reproduce this video at home, please tag me, and I see you guys into the next video. Bye!